I have one brother. I have one brother. I have two sisters. I have two sisters. My family is big. My family is big. My family is small. My family is small. What do you like? What do you like? I like sports. I like sports. I play football. I play football. I use my phone a lot. I use my phone a lot. I like the internet. I like the internet. I like learning languages. I like learning languages. I am a beginner. I am a beginner. I am improving. I am improving. I practice every day. I practice every day. I make mistakes. I make mistakes. That's okay. That's okay. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Sure. Sure. What do you mean? What do you mean? Can you repeat? Can you repeat? Say it again. Say it again. I didn't hear you. I did not hear you. Speak louder. Speak louder. I understand now. I understand now. That's clear. That's clear. That's interesting. That's interesting. Really? Really? Of course. Of course. Maybe. Maybe. I think so. I think so. I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. I'm happy to help. I'm happy to help. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. No problem. No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I agree. I agree. I don't agree. I don't agree. That's true. That's true. That's not true. That's not true. I remember. I remember. I forgot. I forgot. I'll try. I'll try. I want this. I want this. I want that. I want that. How much? How much? It is cheap. It is cheap. It is expensive. It is expensive. I like this. I like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Give me this. Give me this. I need this. I need this. Show me this. Show me this. Show me that. Show me that. I will buy it. I will buy it. I will not buy it. I will not buy it. I want one. I want one. I want two. I want two. How much is this? How much is this? How much is that? How much is that? What is the price? What is the price? Is it cheap? Is it cheap? Is it expensive? Is it expensive? That's expensive. That's expensive. That's cheap. That's cheap. Too expensive. Too expensive. Can you lower the price? Can you lower the price? Give me a discount. Give me a discount. Best price, please. Best price, please. Last price? Last price? Is this the final price? Is this the final price? I have less money. I have less money. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I want something cheaper. I want something cheaper. Do you have another one? Do you have another one? Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? I want a different color. I want a different color. Show me more. Show me more. Do you have this in black? Do you have this in black? Do you have this in white? Do you have this in white? I like this one. I like this one. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? I prefer this. I prefer this.
This is better.
This is better.
That is better. That is better.
I will take it. I will take it.
I will think about it.
I will think about it.
I want to pay.
I want to pay.
How can I pay?
How can I pay?
Cash or card?
Cash or card.
I will pay cash.
I will pay cash.
I will pay by card.
I will pay by card.
Do you accept cards?
Do you accept cards?
Here is the money.
Here is the money.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Where is the cashier?
Where is the cashier?
I need a receipt.
I need a receipt.
Can I return this?
Can I return this?
I want to exchange this.
I want to exchange this.
It is broken.
It is broken.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
This is too expensive for me.
This is too expensive for me.
Can you give me a better price?
Can you give me a better price? I saw it cheaper somewhere else. I saw it cheaper somewhere else. I am just looking. I am just looking.
I will come back later.
I will come back later.
Do you have a warranty?
Do you have a warranty?
How long is the warranty?
How long is the warranty? Is it original? Is it original?
Is it new or used?
Is it new or used?
I want the best quality.
I want the best quality.
This looks good. This looks good. I like the quality.
I like the quality.
It is not good quality.
It is not good quality.
Wrap it, please.
Wrap it, please.